How to reset all settings on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset all your settings on your Android phone without deleting any of your files like photos, videos and apps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, swipe up from the bottom and tap on settings. And here, once you are inside the settings app, simply scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. Now here, choose Google Drive or Samsung Cloud if that's what you use. But make sure backup by Google One is turned on, and after that you can simply go ahead and tap on backup now, just in case we are only resetting settings, but it's smart to have a backup. Now from here you can simply go back to the main settings menu, and from that you can simply scroll down and tap on general management. And here in this section you simply have to scroll down and tap on reset. Now here you'll see few options like reset all settings, reset network settings, factory data reset. But don't tap on factory data reset because that will erase all your files and apps. Instead of that, simply tap on reset all settings. And here you see a message saying that it will reset things like security settings, language, downloaded app preferences, and more. But your personal data will stay safe. So go ahead and tap on reset settings, and after that, you may need to enter your PIN or pattern if prompted. And after that you can simply tap on continue, and once confirmed your phone will restart and all your system settings will be reset without deleting any of your data. And that's how you can reset all your Android settings. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.